am so freaking excited today because I finally get to unbox this package. This has been staying quarantined at the site for like 2 days before I decided that yes, I can finally open this and like safely. I'm so excited. Okay, I don't know how Apple does this. Like, this is my second piece of Apple Pencil and yet I'm still so excited. So my first Apple Pencil, I actually sold it away so that I can get an engraved model. So this is my engraved Apple Pencil too. Wow. Okay, why are you plastic here? Wow. I love you so much. Oh my gosh, it's finally here. It's finally here. My engraved Apple Pencil 2. Oh my goodness. You are beautiful. You are so beautiful. Wow. Okay, I will never let you go.
I'll never let go. I promise.
It's the pencil. And this is like a bunch of like stuff that I will never read. So I don't really give a about it. Whew. Okay. There you go. Oh my gosh, you look so beautiful. They still wrap something around this. Apple has like such details. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yes, let's get this set up. Okay, it should automatically. Yes. Oh, is that 0%? So I actually asked some of you on Instagram what kind of engravings I should get, and I gave you a couple of options. Actually, I gave you a lot of options, and this is the one that I decided to go with. And the reason why there's an equal sign in front and behind my name is because that's what I believe in, equality, and that's like something that is true to my core. I know a lot of people say like engravings, you cannot actually like sell it off easily when you change to an Apple Pencil 3 or something, but I'm like, I see this every day. I want to feel like motivated when I see this, and so like I'm just gonna go for it. I'm so excited to use it. This is my second Apple Pencil, but I still get so freaking excited. I was like tracking all the orders, the shipment details, seeing it leave China, reach Singapore, and then finally gets delivered at 8 p.m. Wow. Honestly, I'm actually quite surprised. Like, Apple still managed to meet like the delivery time slots, although it's definitely much slower and delayed than before. But at least I still got my engraved Apple Pencil. It took like a week to arrive. So accessories. So I can finally use this. Okay, so this is the Zugu Apple Pencil holder, and it's meant to stick on the like iPad cover or case. Ouch. This like that. I know myself, like if I'm traveling, I don't think I would want this here. I would want this somewhere safe, and like I think this is one of the best options. And at first I was like super worried that, you know, because there isn't like anything to block it from coming out, I was afraid that it will come out, but it doesn't look like it will. There's a motorbike. It's quite like tightly stuck here, so I think unless like I am so rough that, you know, I somehow manage to pop this and then this comes out, but right now I don't think I will. Okay, this requires so much like precision. Okay guys, okay. And I honestly don't think you can reuse this 3M sticker. Okay, it's done. This is my finished product, and it just folds up like that, so you don't really see it, so it's not really an eyesore. Honestly, it's not that ugly, so I like it. This is meant to be, and I'm so happy you're here. Okay, this is like a really short one and like something that you guys can laugh with me about and like be happy with me about, and I really hope that this makes you happy because it really does make me happy. Let me know if you are the type that like sells away your Apple Pencil and gets a new one just because you want to get it engraved, because like that was what I did and I don't regret it. So I am so freaking happy, so freaking excited. I'm gonna draw so much on you today and many other days to come. So yeah, this has been it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay minty and cherry. Take care, guys. Bye. Oh my gosh, wow guys, you need to like see. I've been like talking for maybe 5 minutes, but it charges up so quickly. It was 0% just now, you saw, right? And now it's like 43%. I mean, like, Apple, I love you so much. No, I love you so much. I love you so freaking much. Okay, bye.